Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Netflix phone number verification code not received. So if you're having that kind of problem and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So actually this is how I fixed it myself. I firstly closed the Netflix app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So now on my settings app, what I did in here is that I just scrolled down and then I clicked on general. So I clicked on general and as you can see, you should now be taken to a page very similar to this. Now on this page, what I did is that I just scrolled down a little bit and then I clicked on storage. So in here on this page, I just swiped up and then I clicked on the search bar up top. As you can see, I just searched for Netflix and clicked on the Netflix app. Then I just clicked on offload app and once again, I clicked on offload app and here. And then I clicked on the blue button here once again. And just simply I waited now for the Netflix app to completely update to its latest version. Because I guess that when they sometimes release like a new version, we need to be able to get it to make sure that all the bugs that was in the previous one is now gone. And one of the bugs might be that you're not able to receive your phone number right now, or rather like a code to your phone number. So if you're not able to actually receive a code to your phone number, try this, go back and try once again. If it still is not working, then it might be due to that you have actually either written your number incorrectly or written your country code also incorrectly. So double check so that your country code is correct and also that your phone number is correct. The thing that you write, obviously, in the section where it says that you have to write your phone number. Make sure that you actually write it correctly and then try once again. If it still is not working, then it might be due to maybe your phone number is banned if you have tried this multiple times on other accounts. It might be that your phone number is now banned, unfortunately, or maybe you just have really bad signal. So maybe you can just go to another location as an example and try once again and see if that can also fix this issue for you.